Oh, the Air Max Plus is, quite frankly, one of the most important shoes Nike makes. It's up there with the Jordan or anything track and field does or anything we do for signature athletes. It's Air, it's who we are. Starting back with 87, when there was a small airbag and your heel would crash onto it, it was sort of a new insight of there's a new way to provide cushioning. Well, coming all the way to this point where now air travels from heel to toe, it's kind of a big deal. In running, we tend to be somewhat conservative with some of the designs, and when it was first brought up that we take something as innovative as this airbag unit and something as innovative as this flywire engineering tool, we had to do something that was a little more, I guess, wild. What we wanted was kids who really connected with the Hyperdunk, and as beautiful and as crazy as it is, to connect with our Air Max, because we believe it's the same person who really wants to wear something like the Hyperdunk and then run and practice in a pair of Air Max Plus.